Hello. Hello. Good morning if this is your morning. Good afternoon if this is your afternoon. Good evening if this is your evening. In Igbo language, I say ndewo no ụtụtụ ọma o. Ma ọ bụrụ ụtụtụ ka ị nọ n'ime ya, ehihie ọma, ugbu a bụrụ gị ehihie, mgbede ọma ma ọ bụrụ gị mgbede, abalị ọma, ma ebe a ugbu a bụrụ abalị n'ebe ahụ ị nọ. Nnọọnụ, abụ m Maazị Okafọ, onye nkụzi Igbo. This is the live Igbo class for members of the channel. So if you're a member of the channel, you know we meet by this time every Saturday. So you do well to begin to join the class right now so that we can have our class today. And if you are not yet a member of the channel, why not? Click the join button below here, the black join button below. Hit it so that you can do the needful and become a member of the channel. That way, you will have access to our live classes anytime we come on board. Live class is different from rewatching other videos or watching already prepared video. In live class, you have a chance to interact with me directly, make inputs and contribute to discussions. And then we talk to each other, then we move on together. Today, we are beginning to do something a little bit different from what we've done before. So you do well to join us now. Members of the channel, where are you? Please join up now. And when you join, you drop your chat, saying they will no dialogue. Let's meet you and be sure you are in the class. That's the only way we mark our register. So we have Ken Lawrence in the class. They will mazi Ken. Keki mere. Onagakwa ofuma. By replying my question, I understand that the audio is fine. So you need to reply my question to confirm that the audio is perfectly working well. So I wait for your response to my question. Okay. So that is a confirmation that the audio is perfect. So Ken, can you hear me loud and clear? Is it very okay? Do we need to make any adjustment or it's just fine? Okay, ka ọ dị, ị na-anụ olu m ọfụma? Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu ọfụma nwanna Ken? Biko mee ka anyị mara ma ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu ọfụma. Crystal clear, hallelujah. Ekele dịrị Chineke, ndewo. As usual, Ken, you always come to class on time, and I appreciate that. That did not allow us to have a vacuum. Of course, that helps for those who are going to watch a replay. They don't need to wait endlessly. So we normally start a conversation before others come in. So you are the early bird. So let's go on. Kaibido. Aga m asị gị ike ka isi eme, ọ na-agakwa ọfụma. Ka ị maka akwụkwọ gị, ị na-agụkwa? Okay, youth service. Ka o si aga? Ka ọ na-aga ọfụma nwanna. Biko chetara m steeti ahụ ị na-eme youth service. Chetara m ya, ka steeti ị nọ. Chetara m ya ugbu a biko. Okay, ọ na-aga ọfụma. Ka steeti ị na-eme youth service ọzọ. Chetara m. Ka ekwa steeti ahụ. Kaduna steeti. Ha. Chineke ga-echekwa gị n'ebe ahụ. Eji m aka na ndị Boko Haram anaghị eru ebe ị nọ. Ọkwa ndị Boko Haram anaghị eru ebe ị nọ. Ọkwa ha anaghị eru ebe ahụ. Ndị Boko Haram anaghị eru ebe ị nọ, kwa eziokwu. Ka gị na ha na-eme ọyị. Ha bụ enyi gị. Ndị Boko Haram akwa ha anaghị eru ebe ahụ. Chọkwa m akụkọ ọjọọ. It is a kind of safe here. Okay. So okay. So I can convert what you have said to Igbo. Eba. Okay. ebe a nwere, let me say, nwere nchekwa. Okay. Ebe a nwere nchekwa dị mma. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. You can also say, ụjọ adịghị, ndị ọjọọ anọghị ebe a. Bad people are not here. Okay. I say that also. Ndị ọjọọ anaghị eru ebe a. They don't get to this place. Let me use that. Ndị ọjọọ anaghị erute ebe a. Okay, we can also say that ndị ọjọọ anaghị erute ebe a. What does this mean? Ndị ọjọọ anaghị erute ebe a. What does that mean, Ken? If you are in the class, please drop a chat, drop your greetings. Let's know you are in the class. So, Ken, kedu ihe nke a pụtara? Ndị ọjọọ anaghị erute ebe a. What does that mean? Translate that to English and drop it now. Except you drop your greetings, I won't know you are in the class. So if I don't get your name, I assume it's only Ken that is in the class, and I keep interacting with him. Okay, so if you are in the class, drop your greetings, say hi, ndewo, dalo. No, so that we can know you are in the class. We can also go to other things. If people don't reach here, excellent, excellent. That's the translation. Excellent. So kedu akụkụ Kaduna ebe ị nọ? Kedu akụkụ Kaduna ebe ị nọ? Kedu akụkụ Kaduna ebe ị nọ? See, talking to Ken. Zaria. Okay. Zaria, ọ bụ ya bụ headquarter Kaduna? Ọ bụ Zaria bụ headquarter Kaduna? Amaghị m o. State and capital, don't forget. Ọ Zaria bụ mba, kedu capital Kaduna? Ke capital ya? Okay, it's a city. Okay, capital Kaduna ọ bụ gịnị? Princess Ezenwa, ndewo. Nnake, ndewo. Okay. So, okay, capital Kaduna, gịnị ka a na-akpọ capital Kaduna State? Capital is Kaduna. Okay, Kaduna is Kaduna. Oh, I see. I see. Capital Kaduna. Kaduna is Kaduna. Oh, the ma. Oh, ndewo, nwada Princess. And the Maazi Nnake, ndewo na class nke taa. Ọ dị mma, unu nnọọ. Ọ bụ eziokwu na unu bịara n'azụ oge obere, mana ọ dị mma, unu nnọọ. Princess, kee maka ọrụ gị, ọ na-agakwa ọfụma? Maazi Nnake, kee ka ị mere? Kwa nsogbu adịghị? You answer my questions to confirm you are hearing me loud and clear before we continue other things. I asked Princess question, I asked Nak a question. I need answers to confirm you can hear me very well. Okay, at the moment Nake has answered. Oh, Clement Emehe, great to have you in the class today. Long time we missed you. There, woman as a Clement. Princess, I've not got your response. Okay. Already, excellent. Excellent. Mazi Clement Emehe, no na class yo, ke ki mere. Mazi Emehe, ke ki mere. I need your response to confirm you can hear me loud and clear before we continue. Emehe, Clement, ke ki mere o. Waiting for your response as we start the class now. Though class have been on, but we just have to do something specific today. Waiting for Clement's response. Be sure he can hear me and he has no network problem. Clement, waiting for you. Today, okay, Agam Megini. What do you say? Clement, you have incomplete sentence. Agam, what is Agam? Agam is simply I will. So what do you want to say? I'm waiting for your full sentence. Mazi Clement. Ademma, excellent. I'm fine. Good. Today we are going to do Igbo verb add-ons. Add-ons. We're going to do that beginning from today. So I call it verb add-ons. Okay. These are words added to verb to give you different meanings and let it play different roles. It doesn't really change the verb per se, but it gives it a different meaning. So we're going to consider verb beer today, do the add-ons, use it for sentences. So I'm going to write the add-on. You will guess the meaning of that, and then we use it to make a simple sentence. Is that clear? Are you ready? Are we ready for that? Gwasị m ee ma ọ bụrụ na ị dị njikere ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Ee, Ken is ready for this. Who else is ready for this? Kedu onye ọzọ dị njikere? Onye bụ onye dị njikere ka anyị gaa n'ihu? Ken si ee, kee maka ndị ọzọ. Kee maka emeghe, kee maka princess, kee maka big nake. Unu ọ dịkwa njikere? Princess is ready for this. What about my friend Big Nake and Clement? Ready for this? Big Nake is ready for this. Okay? Ana m ege ntị only. Okay, you are only listening. Excellent. It's also fine. I know you are busy these days. Your schedule is changing somehow. All right, let's go. The first, I told you I'm using beer today as the base verb that will be adding something to change the meaning and then use it for other things. The first addition or add-on here is this. Biakwa. Biakwa. That is the sound. Biakwa. Biakwa. What does it mean? Today's class will be for 45 minutes because I have something to attend to, but we're going to keep it at 45 minutes, so bear with me. So I'm going to be as fast as possible. Okay, princess, also come. Okay, any other alternative? Any other option different from what princess has written? Biakwa. Any other option? Any other idea? Nakese, also come. Yes, what does Ken say? Because Clement said he will be listening in. Ken, what do you say to this? Biakwa. Genibu biakwa. Yes, Ken. Come also. Wow. I agree with all of you. This is correct. Let's make our sentence. Okay. Ha niile bịakwara ebe ahụ. Ha niile bịakwara ebe ahụ. Ha niile bịakwara ebe ahụ. What did I say? Write it in English. Let's go. Ha niile bịakwara ebe ahụ. Ha niile bịakwara ebe ahụ. Let's go. Princess is in already. Ha niile bịakwara ebe ahụ. Whoa. Okay. Ha niile bịakwara ebe ahụ. I got princess response. I got big nake. How about Ken? How about Ken? How about Ken? How about Ken? Okay, Ken is in. Let me mark our script. Princess said, they also come there. Nake said, they all came there. Ken said, they all came here. I say, ebe ahụ. Those who wrote there are correct. That is, Princess there is ebe ahụ. Nnake is correct. Ebe ahụ is there. Okay? Okay, Ken is making correction. They were there also. Okay. Okay. That's an adjustment. Okay. Now, Ken wrote, they were there also. Now, I say, ha niile, they all. That's correct. Those who wrote they all are correct. So, princess is not they only, it is ha niile, all of them. They all. Okay. Came there, there should be also there. So it should be they all came there also. They all came there also. You must put all. Hanile. So Nake wrote, they all came there, but he didn't add also. Biakwara. If it is just came there, it will be biara ebe ahụ. I don't need to put kwara. Okay, it will be biara, past tense, came there. But biakwara is came also. You said it already in your reply that biakwara is come also. So the answer is, all of you tried, they were there also. They were there also is also fine, which is they, ha, biakwara ebe ahụ, but ha niile. Okay, so they all came there also. They all came there also. But that's a fair trial for everybody. Very fair trial. So next is this. Second one. Here we go. These actually mean two things, can be applied for two meanings, but let's see how we go. All come. Okay, that's for princess. First response, good one. All come. All come. Yes, let me listen to other people. Let's see what they say. Princess is in. Ben, Ken, Nake, what do you say to this? The sound is bian, biano. Okay, let's take. Okay, this is the problem here. Okay, let's see how you responded. I'm receiving your response. Let me get from Ken also. Ken say, come on, come on. Nake say, come on. Princess say, oh, come. Do you know that all of you are correct? But that's why I say it has two meanings, but the sound is not the same. All come is correct from princess, but the sound is this. Bianu. Bianu is like saying, is like shortening this word. Bianu, compressing it together. You people come. Bianu. So, bianu. You people come. These two words we are compressed together to make bianu. So, all come, or you all come. Correct, by princess. Now, come on, and or come on, or just come is also correct. That's why Nake and Ken, they are also correct, but the sound is different. The sound is piano, piano, not piano, but piano, just come, or come on, or come on, or come on, or just come. Piano, come on, just come. Okay, that is piano. But you all come is piano. It's two words combined together, bia and unu. Piano. So the word is different. The sound is different from piano. Piano is just come, or come on, or come. Oh, am I clear enough? If you understand the two versions I explained, just let me know. The zam ma ọ bụ na ị ghọtara ihe m kwuru nke ọma, zam na chat. Si aghọtara m gị. De aghọtara m gị. I understood you. They in a chat if you got what I explained, the two versions and the two meanings and the two sounds. If you get it, say so in the chat. Yes, waiting for your response. Ana mechegi ngwa. Sim na iwataram. Okay, princess, aghọtara. What about come listen? Okay, okay, okay. That's also making meaning. Come and listen. Biano. That one is a little bit different to in sound. Biano is just come. Bianu, you people come. Okay. Biano. 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 But that is not really one word. It's actually separated. Come and listen. It's not put together, actually. You put it separate. It's biano. Come and hear. It's not one single word. Come here. Biano. So Ken, your question is valid, but it's not one word. It's not combined. It's separated. Biano. Come and hear or come here. No is actually the short form of noro. You can as well put it in full and say bianoro. Bianoro ihe come here what he's saying. Biara, biano. Come here. Is that okay, Ken? And everybody, do you get what I'm explaining? From the question of Ken, do you get what I'm trying to narrate? Is it clear? What about come listen or come here? I just explain it. Confirm if it's clear to you. Odoroganya. Asim odoro unu anya. Come listen. Bia no. Odoro unu anya can say odorogianya is it clear to you? Odorogianya. Okay. Odoro. Odorogianya is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Odorogianya? How about Princess and Nake? You've not responded whether it's clear to you what I explained about come listing. Confirm if it's clear to you. Ana Mecheuno, Princess and Nake. Need your response on that. Princess is in. Nake, where are you? Odoroganya? Waiting for Big Nake to respond to that. Okay, before as we are going to the next one. Okay. This is our next add-on. Sorry, that is not correct. The spelling is not correct. I need to amend that. I gotta remove this one and redo it. Okay. This is what I mean. Biasia, this also has two meanings. So we consider the first one. The first one is biasia. Listen to the sound. Listen. Don't answer anything until you listen to me. The first one we're considering here is biasia. Biasia. That is the sound we are looking at now for this word. Biasia. Biasia. Let's go. What does it mean? Biasia. Biasia. What does that mean? Let's go there. Biasia. Get the sound clearly, because if you pronounce it differently, it means something else. Biasia. We'll deal with this one, then we'll do it in the second sound and second meaning. Biasia. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Let's go there. Kayegawa n'ihu. Ngwa, 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 ngwa. We have 20 minutes more for this class. The word and the sound is biasia. I can say amaim. That's okay. Princess say amaim. Wow, serious. Ken, what do you say? I hope it's not the same thing. Biasia. Ken, I'm waiting for you. I hope it's not the same response from you. Biasia. Yes. Ken, I'm waiting for you. What is biasia? Mm-hmm. Ken ọnọkwa ebe ahụ? I hope Ken is still there. If you've joined the class and you have not dropped your greetings, you're not doing well. We need to pick you, greet you, and talk to you directly. That's why it's a live class. Yeah. Ken, what is Biasia? Mm-hmm. No response yet from Ken. Where are you? It's either you know or you don't know. If you don't know, am I him? If you know, give us the answer. Two people have said, am I him? Mada boye kuola na ha mai. Oforo Ken. Clement is listening. Ken, are you still there? Or you're experiencing glitch? Come from there. That's Clement. Okay, good effort. Ken, where are you? Remember, I told you I'm in a hurry, so don't delay us. Drop your answer or say, I don't know. Good to go. No response from Ken. Let me go on. Biasia is come all. Come all. You're talking to a group of people who say, all of you come on. This one is not biaunu. Biaunu or bianu is you people should come. But biasia is come complete. Come all. No, not come complete. It's come all. You know, everybody must come. Come all. Biasia. Okay. That is come all. Some people will write it as biachasia. Okay. Some will say biachasia or biacha. So, or biacha. Some people will say it like that. Okay. Oh, I'm not even making I didn't make a sentence with the other one. Did I do? I don't think. I don't think I made a sentence with the second word. Okay. But I'm going to make sentence with this one. All right. So, biasia is come all. Okay. I'm going to make a sentence with this. Ka mmadụ niile bịasịa. Ka mmadụ niile bịasịa. Ha niile, or you can say, unu niile bịasịa. Unu niile bịasịa. Or unu niile bịachasịa. What does that mean? Unu niile bịasịa. What does that mean? I'm waiting for you. Unu niile bịasịa. What does it mean? Yes. Waiting for you. Unu niile bịasịa. What does that mean? I'm waiting. I hope we are not having a network glitch. I hope we are not having challenge with network. Unu niile bịasịa. Everyone come. Okay. Okay. Unu niile bịasịa. Any other option? Princess is in. Who else is contributing to the meaning of this? Unu niile bịasịa. Everyone all come. Okay. Unu niile bịasịa. I don't know if Ken is still in the class. He's not responding again. Okay. Ken, are you still there? Confirm if you are still in the class. Ken, just reply, I'm here. Let's know you are here. Unu niile bịasịa. Unu niile. All you people come. That's better. Okay. Or all of you come. Or come all of you. Unu niile bịasịa. Okay. all of you people come, or all you people come, or you can as well say come, all of you, all of you. So all of you is unu niile, all of you people. Come all of you, unu niile biasia, come all of you. Everybody, no exception. That is unu niile biasia. Come all of you. All of you people come. Okay? So that is what it is. All right. So let's go to the second meaning, the second sound. Biasia. Biasia. The first one is biasia. This one is biasia high high. Biasia. What does that mean? What does that mean? Let's give it a try. Biasia high high. What does that mean? Let's go. We've done the first one, biasia, come all. Second sound, biasia. What does it mean? Somebody should give it a try. Let's go there. Give it a try. Hi, hi, biasia. If you are in the class, drop your greetings, drop your chat, contribute so we can know you are here. Or come. Okay? That's what Ken said. Biasia. Biasia. Okay, all came. Okay, you say all came. Okay. Okay. Any other option? Any other option? Biasia. Come all. Okay. You are still giving the same meaning as biasia. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Any other option? Nake, are you there? Who else is in the class that is not contributing? Drop your charts. At least drop your greetings. Let's know you are in the class. Okay. Biasia. That is the sound. Biasia. Yes. Any other contribution? Nake, where are you? Clement, are you dropping in? Amayim, okay, that's all right. There's no crime in that. Biasia, okay. Biasia is after coming. Okay. After coming. Okay. Okay. After coming is the past tense of coming. Okay. After coming. Okay. If I say habiasia, okay, habiasia, anyị eme ya. Habiasia, anyị eme ya. Habiasia, anyị eme ya. Habiasia, anyị eme ya. What is the meaning of what I said? Habiasia, anyị eme ya. Habiasia, anyị eme ya. You can also use a singular. You can say obiasia, anyị eme ya, for one person. You said come now. Where did you say that? I said came now. Yes, I saw came. You say all came. But I'm talking about after happening. Okay? When they come, we do it. Okay. Okay. Yes. Ha biasia anyị eme ya. Remember I said biasia is after coming. After coming. It's like what happens, an event that follows this. After this has happened, this will happen. After they finish coming, or after they have come, we will do so certain. Okay. So that is ha biasia anyị eme ya. Ha biasia anyị eme ya. Okay. Okay. Don't forget to add ha. Ha is missing. Okay. Ha biasia. Princess, you didn't include that in what you wrote, but you almost got it. But you excluded ha in your sentence. Princess. Ha. Ha biasia anyị eme ya. Your sentence would have been very perfect if you had included ha in your sentence, princess. Okay, Nake, I think you don't have idea. So it will be after they can say they come. That's why I say, or after they are come. Okay, princess is correcting herself. After they come, we will do it. Nice. I agree with you. Okay. Okay, I agree with you. After they come, we will do it. Yes. Because you cannot say after they came, because they have not come already. You are saying after they've come, we will do it. Habiasia, after they are coming. You can say after they come or after they are coming, we will do it. So either after they are coming, okay, or after they come, both are correct. You can say after they are coming, that is also correct. We will do it. Either of the two is correct. After they are coming, we will do it. Or after they come, we will do it. That is okay. Habiasia anyemeya. Habiasia anyemeya. That is okay. Now let's go to the next one. Because I want to make sure I finish this within the time. This is the next one. Let's go. What does this mean? Beato. 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 What does this mean? Let's go. Let's go there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. What do you think this means? Beato? Yes. Who is answering first? Gịnị bụ beato? Mm-hmm. Ana m eche unu who is dropping response first? Beato? Let's go. Ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Beato? Okay, Ken is in. Yes. Beato? Any other option? Beato? Mm-hmm. Yes, where are the others now? Princess, where are you? Nake, where are you? Are you still in the class or you've run away? Clement, I know you are listening. Gịnị bụ beato? Come for a bit, princess. Good effort. Beato, Nake, kedu ebe ị nọ? Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Bigi Nake, gịnị bụ beato? Yes, 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 yes. Nake, ana m eche gị o. Beato? Beato? Ana m eche Big Nake. Gịnị ka o kwuru? Okay, amaghị m, that's fine. Princess got it. Though the way you wrote it is not perfectly okay. It is come a bit, come a little, or come a bit. It's either come a little bit or come a bit. Okay? But Princess is apt. She wrote come for a bit, but it's actually come a bit, come a little. Biato. Bravo, Princess. Good effort. So let's have it. Biatunso obere. Biatunso obere. That's the sentence. Biatunso obere. Okay, let me remove obere so that we don't confuse ourselves. Biatum nso. Biatum nso. Biatum nso. That is the sentence. This is the sentence. Nothing else. Biatum nso. What does that mean? I'm not going to write it to listen to the sound. Biatum nso. Okay, Princess is in. Ken is in. Okay. Princess is amending. Nake, where are you? These guys are pushing you back. Where are you? You've known the meaning already, and we're making a sentence. Biatum nso. What do you say to that? Biatum nso. Nake, what do you say? I'm marking the script. Biatum nso. Come a bit closer. Closer to who? Closer to who? Princess, come near a bit. To who? So in all this, Ken is the one that got it right. Come a bit closer to me. I said, Biatum nso. Come a bit closer to me. That is the M in that sentence. Biatum nso. So Ken is the one that got this perfectly well. Okay. Biatum nso. Okay. Come closer, come a bit closer to me. Somebody is near you, or say, come a bit closer to me. You want to reach the person. Biatum nso. Is that okay? Is that okay? Let's go to the next one. Okay. Gịnị bụ nke a? Biazia. 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 It also has two sounds. We have biazia and biazia, but we're dealing with the first sound. Biazia. What does it mean? Let's go there. Biazia. Any trial? Biazia. Come back or have come. Okay. Come along. Good effort. I like all that. Nake, what do you say? Ken is in, Princess is in. The word is biazia. Nake, what do you say? Is either you know or you don't know. Don't keep quiet. Clement is listening. That's understandable. Biazia. Okay, this word is used. Come along. Okay, that's what Nake said. This word is used when the there's a conversation, and then one or two things at a point, you want the person to come at that moment. The decision is reached, and you say, okay, the person should come now or come immediately. So Biazia is come now or come immediately. Biazia. There could be a reason why the person doesn't want to come, or you don't want the person to come before that time. But at the end of the day, when it is resolved, you'd say, okay, you can now say the person should come now. Biazia. Sometimes it is put, we add ubua to it. Okay, Biazia ubua. Okay, come now. Sometimes it is said without adding now to it. You just say Biazia. It is what is holding you or what made you to say the person should not come before is resolved. You're now saying Biazia. Maybe the person wanted to come before and you say, no, hold on, don't come yet. At the end of the day, you now say, Biazia, come now. I don't know whether I'm making sense. Is that okay? Do you think you understand what I explained? If you do, simu a. So it is used for come now, or you can come now. Okay, Biazia. Sometimes we add ubua to it. Come now. Biazia ubua. But sometimes you don't put ubua. We just say Biazia. Come. You are free to come now. Okay. Ngwa Biazia. Ngwa Biazia. Come now. Okay. Everything is, the coast is clear. No problem again. You can come now. As Biazia. But when you pronounce it as Biazia, Biazia, high, it will be then came. It will be a past tense. Then came. Or came then. Came then or then came. For example, if I say ha biazia or emechara ha biazia, okay, ndị ahụ mechara biazia, those people later came, okay, or those people then came later, ndị a mechara biazia, the people we're talking about then came later, okay, they came then, so that is biazia. It has to do with past tense, okay, but it had to do with they came later on. They then came after other things. They then came. Ha mechara biazia. So if I say ha mechara biazia, ha mechara biazia, it's like saying after all said and done, they later came. They then came. Okay, they then came. Ha mechara biazia. They came. They then came, or they came afterward, or they later came. Ha mechara biazia. So that is when that is used. I'm going to go to the last one because of my time. The last one in this series and in this particular word is this. Biazuo. Biazuo as the last one. What does it mean? Biazuo. Okay, they finished and then came. Okay, ha mechara biazia. That nake is translating what I wrote. Ha mechara biazia. They finished and then came. That's correct. They finished and then came. Ha mechara biazia. That is a good translation. Okay, they finished and then came. Okay, but I've given the last word for today. Biazuo. What does that mean? Biazuo. Nake. Is that what you wrote? Is that what your answer for Biazuo? Come back. Is that what you mean? Okay, let me get the response of other people. Princess, gini bu Biazuo. Ken, gini bu Biazuo. Let's go there. Ngwa, ngwa, ngwa. Yes. Please don't forget to give this live class a thumbs up. Appreciate us. And then let's keep it rolling. Any other person that have an idea of Biazuo? Came, oh, came by. Okay, I think you are using Biazuo, but that thing is UO. There's no dot under the U, no dot under the O. It's Biazuo. Look at my sound. Biazuo. I didn't say Biazuo. If it is O, if you have dot under, it will be Biazuo, and that will be come and by. And it's not even joined together. Okay, it had to be separate. But this case, I'm saying Biazuo, no dot under the U, no dot under the O. Biazuo. But a good trial from you. Yes, Ken, what do you say to this? Biazuo. Yes. Biazuo. What does Ken say to this? You know or you don't know? Emehe. Are you dropping in anything? Biazuo. So we are dragging to 1 hour. You people have held me down here. Don't let me go. Okay. This is come complete. Come complete or came complete. So that is Biazuo. Zuo, if you say something Zuru, oh Zuru, it means it's complete. Okay. So let me use the same phrase I used in the other. Okay. Let me use the same. Or let me use this one. Anyị mechara Biazuo. Anyị mechara Biazuo. What does that mean? Anyị mechara Biazuo. What does it mean? As we round up. Anyị mechara Biazuo. Yes, what does that sentence mean? Anyị mechara Biazuo. Of course, you can use ha mechara Biazuo. You can also say ha biazuru if it is past tense. Ha biazuru. Or anyị biazuru. That's the past tense of it. Yes, who is translating that sentence for us? We finished, completed. I think you are translating mechara as finished. But that is not exactly how it is translated in this sentence. Any other option? That mechara is actually not translated that way. It should be we came complete afterward. That mechara is not complete, translated as finished something. We came complete afterwards. Okay? It's like saying afterwards, any mechara me, the thing afterward, the thing happened afterwards. Okay? After all said and done, we came complete. So it's not translated directly as finished. Okay? We came complete afterwards. Ayi mechara biazuo. You know, after all said and done, we came complete. And that's where we draw the curtain today. In this particular word, we're going to use another word next time to practice another one until we all get used to them all. If you think you have learned something today, can you drop your emoji? Give your teacher a thumbs up if you think you've learned something today. You are sure you'll be here next Saturday, same time. Drop your thumbs up, give me your flowers, give me your chat, super chat if you want. Say something, show that this class is okay, right? As we round up today. So thank you for making yourself available today to learn with us. We hope to keep moving, keep learning day in, day out until we are perfect. So see you next Saturday, same time, same channel. No, I have not seen your flower. I've not seen your thumbs up. I've not seen anything. What is going on here? Does it mean that you didn't gain anything from today's class, or you think I didn't do it well? And this network was, favorable to us today. Yes, what do you say to that? Okay, maybe it's network that is holding you down. So see you next Saturday. Kemesia. Bye. I gotta stop this class now.